Hey everyone, welcome back Top Notch. Today we're diving into a hot topic, 10 of the best ways to make money online in 2024. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, there's something here for everyone. So grab a notebook and let's get started. First up, we have remote freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer continue to thrive, but in 2024, niche markets are booming. Think about areas like virtual reality design or AI content creation. By honing in on specific skills, you can charge higher rates and attract dedicated clients. Next, let's talk about e-commerce. This year, innovative products in dropshipping are still popular. Try focusing on sustainable goods or personalized items. With the rise of social media shopping, platforms like Instagram and TikTok make it easier than ever to reach potential customers directly. Coming in at number 3 is content creation. Whether it's YouTube, podcasts, or blogging, the possibilities are endless. In 2024, focusing on niche topics can help you build a loyal audience. Monetization options like sponsorships, merchandise, and Patreon subscriptions can significantly boost your income. At number 4, we have online courses and coaching. If you have expertise in a specific area, create a course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Alternatively, consider one-on-one coaching through Zoom or similar platforms. Topics like personal finance, digital marketing, and wellness coaching are in high demand. Number 5 is cryptocurrency and NFTs. While this market can be volatile, there are opportunities for savvy investors. Educate yourself on trading and consider creating or investing in NFTs, particularly art and gaming assets. Just be cautious and do your research. Next, let's discuss subscription services. From curated subscription boxes to online memberships, this business model is thriving. Whether it's fitness programs, exclusive content, or beauty products, recurring revenue can provide financial stability. Think about what you can offer consistently to keep subscribers engaged. At number 7, we have social media influence. Micro-influencers in particular are becoming more popular with brands looking for authentic engagement. By building a niche following on platforms like Instagram or TikTok, you can partner with brands for sponsored posts or affiliate marketing. Number 8 is affiliate marketing. This method allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Focus on creating valuable content around the products you love, and use platforms like Amazon Associates or ShareASale to find programs that align with your audience. Ninth on our list is remote customer service. Many companies are hiring remote support staff. Websites like remote.co and We Work Remotely can help you find opportunities. This is a great way to earn steady income while working from home. And finally, number 10, virtual real estate. With the growth of metaverse platforms, buying and selling virtual properties is becoming a viable income source. This could mean anything from virtual land in games to spaces in VR environments. It's an innovative and forward-thinking opportunity. There you have it, 10 exciting ways to make money online in 2024. Which of these methods interests you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.